Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your Earbuds Energy System Style 4. The first option is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the back side we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. The most important is this LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to the charging case. Again, we have the LED light here, meaning that it works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, what look like this, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. So I'm going to connect USB-C cable to my earbuds, and then USB-A cable I will connect to my PC. Now let's check the LED light, and we also have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!